What's up, guys? We are at Vlogmas Day 14 already. It's kind of hard to believe. Today, I'm going to be testing out this new mascara that I just got in the mail. This is from L'Oreal, and it's their Telescopic Lift Mascara. It looks like it's going to be really good, so I am super excited. Let's go ahead and jump right in and get started. Okay, so just like with my other mascara reviews, I am not wearing any eyeshadow because that way you can see my lashes a little bit better. And let's talk about the product first. So I just have to open up this packaging. This is the Telescopic Lift in Blackest Black. And on the packaging, it says that it gives length, lift, and volume, and up to 5 millimeters of visible length. It also claims to have an exclusive load and lift brush with double hook bristles. I feel like they always have new gimmicks when it comes to mascara wands, and I don't know if they really make any difference, but we shall see. The wand is actually a really nice size. It's not too big and it's very skinny. It kind of looks like a paddle shape, so it's wide and flat one direction, and then the other way it is more narrow. And the directions were a little bit confusing, but I think I have it figured out. They said to use the flat side with the shorter bristles to apply the mascara to your lashes and kind of load the product on. And then you want to flip it so that it's the really skinny side like this, and that has the longer bristles. So you apply it with the flat side, and then you turn it sideways and comb through with the longer ones. So let's go ahead and zoom in and we'll see how this works. Okay, so first I'm going to use the flat paddle side first with the short bristles. Already it kind of feels like a wetter formula going on, and it's really building length and volume very quickly. I hardly even have to touch it. I haven't even done my zigzaggy motion that I usually do, but I'll try that. That usually helps to load the product on even more. Okay, when I do that, it actually starts getting a little bit clumpy, so I think I'm just gonna kind of go straight, and I'm gonna turn the brush to the side and start to comb this out a little bit. I think doing that zigzag motion just loads way too much product onto my lashes. I probably shouldn't have done that. But I'm actually able to comb out the clumps with the side bristles, and it's actually kind of a unique style of brush, and it makes sense because most of the product is going to attach itself to these flat sides just because there's more surface area, and on the skinny side not a lot of it is going to go there, so it's much more of just like a lash comb than actually adding product. But oh my goodness, my lashes are looking so big right now. Look at that. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm just gonna comb through a little bit more and just kind of try to fluff them out. But I was a little nervous at first. It seemed like my lashes were gonna be really spidery, really clumpy. But once I was able to comb through them, it really made a big difference. And to me, it almost looks like I have like double the lashes that I really do. They just look really thick, really full, and it actually dries pretty fast. Even though it's a wetter formula, it doesn't feel like it's still wet. Like if I try to go back and comb through my lashes, it's completely dry already. So what do you guys think? I feel like this made a really huge impact, and it gave me so much volume especially, and a lot of length as well. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and this time I'm not gonna like zigzag the brush too much because I don't wanna put too much product on there. But you can see how this just like builds up your lashes so fast. I barely started applying it and already my lashes are pretty big. I almost feel like I'm getting more length just kind of combing them through this way than I did with the other side. Do you agree? I feel like this side just looks a little bit longer than this one. And it's also insane how fast this dries. It's already dry. You really don't have a lot of time to keep building coats if that's something that you normally do with mascara. This is bone dry already. Okay, so here are my lashes completely finished. I feel like this looks like I just stuck a pair of false lashes on my eyes. They are so much thicker looking and longer. It really does give a false lash effect if that's something that you're looking for. Okay, so far I personally really am loving this formula. I love the way that it made my lashes look, but I think this may not be for you if you don't like a lot of volume or if you don't like something that is really gonna load the product on and has the potential to get a little clumpy. If you prefer more of a soft, wispy kind of a lash, then this might be just too much for you. But if you really like that false lash look and the really big lashes, I think you might really enjoy this. But we're still gonna do a wear test. I wanna see if it flakes or smudges throughout the day. It's about 11 a.m. currently, and later tonight I have my son's Christmas concert at school. So when I come back later, I will do a final check-in, let you know my thoughts on everything, and I guess I'll have to update you in the description box how it actually removes at the end of the night. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, it's about 8 p.m. I just got home from my son's Christmas concert and I wanted to just quickly let you know how everything held up. So we're at about the 9-hour mark at this point, and there's no smudging, there was no flaking whatsoever, nothing falling into my eyes. Let me just zoom you guys in really quick. I think my lashes still look really good for the most part. This one I definitely think looks a little bit longer and a little bit still more curled up. I think I just probably put too much on this eye and it's kind of making the lashes look a little bit more weighed down. This side definitely looks more curled and more lifted, but I know for next time just to apply it a little bit more sparingly and not like do my zigzaggy motions. Like I said earlier, I will definitely let you guys know down in the description box, or I'll pin a comment and let you know how this removes. I'm kind of wondering if it's a tubing formula, because on the back of the packaging it said that it removes easily with water, and usually that's a sign of a tubing formula even though it doesn't claim to be one. And if I had to compare this to the new e.l.f. roller lash dupe that just came out recently, I would say I might like this one even a little bit better. I feel like it gives me even bigger lashes than the e.l.f. one did. If you'd like to check out my review of that one, it's a really quick video and I'll go ahead and pop it right up here on the screen and you can kind of see how the two compare. But I think if you like really big lashes, I think you'll like this one better. So anyway guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it so much. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider hitting the subscribe button. Take care guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.